If you have been blowing your trading accounts, watch this video. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist trading forex to fund my music. Of course, that's why I'm trading. And the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does wonders for the channel. Thank you. You are far too kind. Now, if I've been blowing accounts, listen up. All right, let me tell you the truth. It is normal, okay? It is bound to happen. Calm down. Everybody that is successful that you know today, at some point in their journey, they were blowing accounts. Listen, so I'll just say this, that if you're trading for yourself, you are learning to become a successful trader, rather a profitable trader, blowing accounts is part of the journey. I don't know, you might feel like you don't know what you're doing. No. This is just part of the journey, all right? And the thing is that because it's a journey, everybody has different, journeys. Some persons would become successful in 1, 2, 3 years. Some might take them 5 years. It might take them 6 years. Some might take them 6 months. It's because trading is such a personal journey that you cannot say this is how long it will take you. But understand that if you're blowing accounts now, it's perfectly normal. You're not alone. Guess what? Even the successful guys, they still blow accounts, okay? So I know you might discourage, you feel like you're blowing that your $100 account, $50 account. Just calm down, guys. It is perfectly normal, okay? Don't feel like you don't know what you're doing or like the world is over. No. It's a part of the journey. And there's something that somebody I respect so much in the forex space in Nigeria says. He says you are going to blow accounts, and then the quicker you blow accounts, the faster you get to become profitable. So just look at it that those accounts you are blowing is your fees, your fees for learning how to trade, right? I hope this encourages somebody, because so used to feel like this. I still feel like this at times, but I just have to keep going because we have to keep going, right? So don't feel like it's something that's happening to only you. A lot of us, including successful guys, blow accounts and are still blowing accounts, all right? Hope this encourages you, okay? And thank you for watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, like, subscribe. Let's go on the journey together. If you also have a target for yourself, you can put it in the comment section, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the profitable side of trading, all right? See you guys in the next video. Peace out.